Here's a really great way to use up those leftovers that you're wondering what you're gonna do with. First, I'm gonna saute some onions, some garlic, chopped up bell peppers, and some thyme in extra virgin olive oil. I have some ham scraps that I'm adding to the pot. Stir well when you add the ham and then just saute it for a couple minutes. Now I'm going to add some leftover turkey that I cut into chunks, and I also have a piece of the turkey gizzard too, which is going to add a nice texture. Stir well after you add the turkey and then saute another couple minutes. I added 1 can of black beans and 1 can of cannelloni beans. I didn't drain the beans, I added all the liquid, and now I'm stirring it really well, and we're going to cook that for a few minutes. After a few minutes, I added a little bit of water. I think I added probably about 2/3 of a can. Continue cooking for a few more minutes until you get the consistency that you would like for your one pot. I'm also looking for my beans to get nice and tender, and you can check at this point, give it a taste for your flavors. When the beans are tender and you like the flavor of your pot, you can take it off the heat. And now it's time to dish up and serve your delicious one pot.